We are continuing the numerical problem related to the motion. And in previous class, I told you so many numerical problems. Among them, two were solved in previous class. I'm going to start with number 3. And my planning is to complete 3 as far as possible, 4 also. Okay, let's continue. A car starting from rest. If a car or any body starts from rest, then its initial velocity will be 0. And the starting from rest has an acceleration of 10 centimeter per second square. Here acceleration is given and this is 10 centimeter per second square. But we are using SI system and instead of centimeter per second square we must have meter per second square. That's why if this centimeter has to be converted to meter, then it should be divided with 100. Then centimeter comes in meter and we have meter per second square, and this is equal to 0 cancel, 1 divided by 10 becomes 0.1 meter per second square. Now let's go to question again. Number 3, calculate the distance traveled by the car in 4 seconds. In question number I, what we have, distance travel in 4 seconds. Again, one of the information given, t is 4 seconds, and how much is the distance traveled by the car in distance traveled is the question. Look at this. Now we don't have to see this question to solve number I because everything is converted into mathematical form. That's why I want to continue with this mathematical form. Now UATS, we are related with 4 symbols. UAT they are given and S is the question. In previous class I told you some equation. Look at this. These are the equations which we use to solve the numerical problem, and we have to select one of them in which we have UATS. S is missing from 1 and 2, and in UA is missing in third. UAT is there. UATS is present in equation number 4. That's why I want to select this. This way we can select. I want to select this to solve numerical problem. Okay, now how can we solve this? We have S is equal to ut plus half at square, or S is equal to u is 0 into time is 4 seconds plus half remains this number same, and a is 0.1 and t is 4 square. We are not using units in the process. We'll use unit at the end in answer and at the beginning in the given. Okay, now this is equal to S is equal to 4 multiplied by 0 becomes 0 plus half into 0.1 remains same into 4 4s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Therefore S is equal to 0 doesn't have any meaning. 8 multiplied by 0.1, 0.8, and the unit of distance is meter. This one part is solved. What was the question? The distance traveled by the car in 4 seconds. That's why we are writing, therefore the distance traveled by the car is 0.8 meter. This way we can solve first part. Now let's go to second part. Its velocity after traveling a distance of 20 meter. Again one information is given, 20 meter. When it covers exactly 20 meter distance, how much will be its velocity? Final velocity is asked. That's why we can write this way. Number 2, when distance is 20 meter, this much distance is traveled, how much will be its velocity, means final velocity is questioned. Now we have to use this distance in the solution, I mean to say in the equation. That's why distance and velocity both should be present in the equation, and this is in 3 and 5. Distance is there, velocity is there, all the 3 information we have, and this including this we have 4 information. If we have 4 information out of 5 information, then we can use any symbol, but any equation. But we have to solve that equation in which s is present and v is present. S and v both are present in this third equation, and it is present in fifth equation. But in fifth equation, v square, v is in left hand side, that's why I want to use this. We have v square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, now let's go to this side. Now v square is equal to, or v square is equal to, u square means what? 0 square, u is given 0, u square plus 2 into acceleration is 0.1 into, now distance covered, how much is the distance? 20, or v square is equal to 0 plus, now 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 0.1. 0 doesn't have any meaning here. This is equal to 40 multiplied by 0.1 becomes 4, or v is equal to root over 4. Therefore v is equal to 2, and the unit of final velocity is meter per second. That's why I'm writing meter per second. This way we can select a particular equation to solve a particular numerical problem. We are continuing this numerical problem. If there are similar numerical problem, we'll skip out from similar problem. Otherwise, we'll solve many numerical problem as far as possible. Okay, this much for today. We'll meet in next time. If you are benefited by these classes, please subscribe my channel, and please like it and share it to your friends also. Okay, this much for today.